concentration calculations can be a little bit tricky, but if you go and follow these steps, every time a question like this comes up, you should pretty much get it right. So it says in the question that we've got 25 centimetre cubed of hydrochloric acid is reacted with 23.3 centimetres cubed of a 0.1 mole per decimetre cubed barium hydroxide solution. Right, and the equation is below. So calculate the concentration of hydrochloric acid in moles per decimetre cubed. So the first thing that we need to do is work out how many moles of barium hydroxide we've got. So we can simply do this. So we know that, right, to start off with, we need to convert that 23.3 centimetre cubed into decimetres. We do that by dividing it by 1,000. So we know that we've got a 0.1 mole per decimetre cubed solution of it. So all we're doing is the volume times by the concentration, which will give us 0.00235 moles of sodium hydroxide. Right, so the second step that we need to do is work out the number of moles of hydrochloric acid. So we can see here from the equation that we've got 1 barium hydroxide to 2 hydrochloric acids. So we've got a 2-to-1 ratio. So all we need to do is times the number of moles of barium hydroxide by 2, which has come from this 2-to-1 ratio, which will give us 0.0047 moles of it. So finally, we can go and work out the concentration of hydrochloric acid just using our equation. So we start off, we need to convert that 25 centimetre cubed into decimetres by dividing it by 1,000 to start off with. Then we just use our concentration calculation. So we use the number of moles, which we've worked out here, divided by the volume, which we've worked out from here, which gives us a final concentration of 0.118 moles per decimetre cubed. So if you follow these simple stages, you should get it right every time.